If I'm on your screen, you already know what that means. It is a travel day. Welcome back to my channel. You can call me Nay or D, and we got a whole lot of travel for the upcoming days. I'll be traveling for about 8 days. First up is a work trip. How y'all started your day though? I started my day in Pilates, and my God, like, it is one of my favorite ways to start my day, honestly. And like the community, the music, the vibes, also the results. You could see in my before and after, like, ever since I started doing Pilates, I started doing Pilates in December. The weight has literally just been shedding off me. My body has been toning up. This is probably the most toned my stomach has been in a very long time, and it just has me feeling good. So I started my morning with Pilates. Now it is time to leave out. I'm going to be going to Winston-Salem for a conference. This is my first ever work trip. I'm not going to show y'all too much of the conference. I probably won't get a chance to vlog, but I'm definitely going to show y'all the hotel when we get there. But first, we got to go pack the car. So let's go.
Talk street art, sarcasm, price humor and high fashion. Peach color moon glistens the plot thickness as we laugh over shotguns and tongue kisses. Bubble back you for damn, would you rather? No flame, the dull and no shame. Drug, sex, and Polaroid, pick a star in the sky. We could both say goodbye. Oh, I wish I could make our love these moments in turns into gunplay, turns into pillow talk, turns into sweet dream, turn into coffee in the morning,
Two things. I truly love being in the hotel. I woke up this morning, I was hungry, scanned the QR code, picked up the phone. Hey, can I have some French toast and an all-American breakfast, egg scrambled soft? What did I get? French toast, all-American breakfast, egg scrambled salt. Second thing, Gerard Carmichael is such a villain. I've never, ever witnessed a more terrible person. And I'm Aaliyah, who went without therapy at a point in time. I've been pretty terrible. This man is insane. All right, yeah, I recorded a story time about how I almost lost my life in this hotel, but the video quality was trash, so I decided I'm just going to tell y'all over this video of me eating breakfast. So after the conference, which you don't see any of because I wasn't vlogging at that time, but it was a pretty good conference. Definitely learned a lot. After the conference, I go to the bathroom. So I don't typically eat meat, but we went to a barbecue place. The barbecue place is called Camel City BBQ. So good. If you're ever in Winston-Salem, I absolutely do recommend it. It was so good. But of course it bothered my stomach. So anytime I use the bathroom at home, I have like a step, because apparently, like, if you have your legs elevated, it creates like a curvature in your spine, and it's just more suitable for using the bathroom. So anytime I'm not at home, I'll always use something to elevate my feet. So this time I use the garbage can. Cool. Everything goes smooth. I get up, wash my hands. I'm in a bathroom mirror, not really paying attention. I move back to make my way towards the shower. Y'all, I forgot the garbage was behind me. So I trip over the garbage. I stumble into the shower. The shower has a sliding door. Luckily, thank you God, the shower door was open, because had I not, I would have fell through that glass door. I was literally inches with the shower door open from busting my head on that shower door. That was honestly one of the most scariest things I've ever experienced. So I'm back from Winston-Salem. I'm at Fifth Third Bank. Quick travel tip. If you're ever traveling internationally and you just want to get rid of the headache of having to exchange money, I do not suggest exchanging at the airport. Usually there is an exchange rate that's not the best so that they can make money. I suggest getting an exchange at your bank. Just go to the bank a couple days. Give yourself a little bit more time, so like a week before your trip. Let them know the currency you're exchanging at. The bank will give you the best exchange rate, and they'll even exchange the money if you have more of that currency back to dollars when you get back to your return. So I'm at Fifth Thirds. I'm gonna be traveling internationally soon, so I'm gonna pick up the currency that I ordered. All right, that's one more thing off my to-do list. I got my money exchange. A lot of places do take cards, but there are some places that don't take cash, so I always like to have some cash on me. I realized I did not in this vlog, nor did I do it how I wanted to, so thank you for watching to the end. I promise y'all I'm gonna get better. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn your post notifications on, because the next vlog, we're gonna be in Guatemala.
I got too many hoes, but they ain't you. Like to put that shit in your door.